good day everyone. This is Rhea Rivasora, and today I'm gonna share to you how to make an amortization schedule using Microsoft Excel. Alright, so we know that amortization method is a method of paying a loan in an installment basis. Alright, so first let's have our example. So our example is Carmi took out a 10-year loan for $100,000 to purchase land. If interest is 6.5% compounded quarterly, find her periodic payment and make an amortization schedule. So first thing to do is to find the given in the problem. So here our amount borrowed is $100,000. Second is our period. Now to get the period, we just have to multiply out the time and our frequency of conversion. So here we have 10 years multiplied by our frequency of conversion, which is 4, and we have 40. Now to find the rate, we have to divide our interest to our conversion. So we have 0.065 divide 4, and that we have 0.01625 as our rate. Now to get the payment, we have to put equals and then type PMT, open parentheses, so you don't have to worry because we have the guidelines here. So first we have the rate, so don't forget to put a comma, period, and the amount borrowed. So in amount borrowed, you have to put a negative sign, click the amount borrowed, and then type 0 at the last. And here we go. So the quarterly payment of Carmi is $3,419.47. Alright, in making a schedule, so you have here the quarterly, which is our period, the beginning or the balance, the PMT, which is the payment, the interest, principal, and balance. So first we have to write here the beginning. So our beginning is 100,000. So our payment equals, you just have to click here the payment and enter. Now the interest, to get the interest, we have to multiply our beginning or balance to our rate. And here you go. And our principal, to get the principal, we just have to subtract the payment and the interest. So payment subtract to interest. And here you go. This is our principal. And to get the balance, again, we just have to subtract or find the difference between the beginning and the principal, and that is our balance. So after the first payment of Carmi, she will have the remaining balance of $98,205.53. Alright, that's the second payment. So here we just have to click the balance in the previous payment. So we have $98,205.53, and then here the payment, again equals, then click the payment. Now here we have to put a $sign for us to easily complete the schedule, right? And later you will see the result, $sign, and enter, and then the interest. Again, we have to multiply here the beginning or the balance, multiply by our interest rate, and here in the interest rate, the red mark, we have to put a $sign, then enter. So note that we have to put a $sign in the second period between the payment and the interest, right? To get the principal, we have to subtract payment and interest. And here you go. And to get the balance, again, just have to subtract the beginning to our principal. And here you go. So after the second period, Carmi have the remaining balance of $96,381.90. Now here we just have to highlight the second period and click here and drag it down. So that is the purpose of the $sign. So we can just drag it down until reach the last period. here you go. So at the end of 40th period, so Carmi doesn't have any remaining balance. And note that in amortization, there must be no balance left at the last period. Now, if ever there is the balance here at the last period, so there must be a problem with your formula, computations, or the table or the schedule. Alright, so this is how you make an amortization schedule using Excel, and I hope you learn. Thank you.